Hello students, in the previous lecture we have done situation 2 when opening stock, closing stock, opening creditors, closing creditors and payment made for such item are given to us. Now in today's lecture we are doing situation 3 where opening stock, opening creditors, closing creditors and this which is underlined advance payment in the beginning and advance payment at the end is given to us along with the amount paid for stationery or paid for material, paid for medicines is given to us. So how to deal in that case? It means you are having 6 items plus amount paid for stationery. 6 items in the sense stock opening and beginning, closing creditors opening and beginning, and likewise advance opening and advance beginning along with payment is given to you. So this situation I am dealing. In this case, first of all, I would like you to prepare the ledger first. So I am making a ledger of stock of material consumed. Then we'll go by student friendly method or statement method. So first I am making ledger of stock of material, debit, credit. So its contents will remain same. We used to write opening balance here, to balance brought down. Here we write opening stock, and here we used to write this is closing. It always come on the opposite side, this you already know. So this is my balance carried down, closing stock, and here 2 creditors for credit purchase, and to cash for cash purchase. So basically we'll be writing both the purchases here, and after that the balancing figure will be your material consumed, which will be debited to income and expenditure account. Balancing figure. This is not a balancing figure. Balancing figure will be this of material consumed. So I hope now you started learning and you now this method is seems to be quite easy for you. Now next account is creditors for material account. Creditors for material account. Same that formality you can do. Particulars amount are already there in the format of ledger, but I am, for the sake of just to save time, I am not doing those formalities. So here we'll be writing by balance brought down. This is opening balance of creditors, and if opening is written, closing will be written on the opposite side. To balance carried down. This is closing balance of creditors, and here this is also two-way account. As you have seen, we make in case of subscription, we wrote balance brought down on both the sides. So here also we'll be writing to balance brought down on both sides. So if you are writing on debit side balance brought down in the creditors account, it means we must have paid some advance. So this is advance in the beginning, advance paid to the creditors in the beginning of the year, beginning of the current year. And if opening balance advance is written here, then closing balance advance is written here by balance carried down. This is closing advance paid to creditors, and then if you have done any payment during the year, payment to creditors will be written here, and here the balancing figure will be your purchases. What type of purchases? This will be your credit purchase. So this is how it is to be done, and this credit purchase will be transferred to stock account. So I hope this point is clear to you. We have been discussing this, that both accounts are connected with each other. And how these are connected, I told you that the credit purchase which you will be calculating as a balancing figure, this is balancing figure, will go to stock of material, material account. So after this only you will be able to get the material consumed. So let us start. And one more thing before starting, let me give you the briefing of the second method also, which statement method. Through statement, how this is to be done, or we can call it as shortcut method or student friendly method. Alternative method. Of calculating that will be through statement showing calculation of material consumed. So in single statement we will be treating all the items, required items. So the first will be amount paid for the material during the year, and in this we'll be adding, now you know that in situation 2, if you remember, this is my statement method. We added 2 items in situation 2. Opening stock of material was added and closing creditors were added. So we'll be doing these 2 first. So first we'll add opening creditors of material, and then we'll be adding closing, just wait, this will be opening stock. Instead of creditors it should be opening stock. Make correction here. Opening stock of material will be added and closing creditors will be added. Opening stock of material, I am making correction here. Opening stock of material and closing creditors of material will be added. And what else will be added? Because you know that 3 details are given to us in this situation. 3 details are advance in the beginning. So here we will be adding opening advance. Opening advance paid in the beginning will also be added. So we'll be adding 3 items: opening stock of material, closing creditors of material, opening advance paid for advance paid in the beginning of the year will be added. So after that, from this amount we will be deducting the opposite of this. So this is like opening stock is added, so closing stock will be deducted. And likewise closing creditors are added, so opening creditors will be deducted. And likewise opening advance was added, so closing advance. Paid or advance paid at the end will be deducted. So after doing this, we'll be able to get what? We'll be able to get material consumed during the year, and this will be debited to income and expenditure account. The amount which will be getting here. So this is how it is to be treated. So let us do one numerical from T.S. Grewal's book. This is question number 34. So see question number 34 on your screen. Yes, this is question number 34. I am talking about this question. From the following information of non-profit organizations, show the sports material item in the income and expenditure account for the year ended 31st March 2020 and balance sheet also. Balance sheet as on 31st March 2019 and 2020. So we need to show along with this income and expenditure details the balance sheet, the amount which will be recorded in the balance sheet. So what is given to us? Stock of sports material, opening stock as well as closing stock. Both stock are given to you. Opening is 6200 and closing is 4800. Creditors for sports material 9800 and 7200. Advance to supplier. So two balances of advance are given to us, 11,000 and 19,000. Then payment to supplier for sports material during the year is 1,02,000. There were no cash purchases. So it is clearly mentioned that cash purchases are not given to us. So we'll be doing this particular question with the help of ledgers. So let us start making ledgers. And we'll be showing the items in the balance sheet also. So this is question number 34. So let us make stock of sports material count. Stock of sports material account. This is debit, credit, particulars, amount, particulars and amount. In rupees also you can mention. So here we'll be recording opening stock. So how to write opening stock? We used to write opening stock to balance brought down. What is the opening stock which is given to us in this numerical? 6,200. And closing stock is also given to us by balance carried down 4,000. This is closing stock 4,800. And purchases are not given to us. There is no cash purchase. It means all the purchases are credit purchases, and there is no and the balancing figure will be the material consumed. So we cannot complete this unless and until we make creditors for sports material. So let us make creditors account first. Creditors for sports material account. So opening balance of creditors, you know that we have to record opening balance on the credit side by balance brought down opening balance of creditors. So this is given to us as 9,800, and if opening is here, then closing will be here. To balance carried down, closing balance of creditors, which is 7,200. And likewise, the new item which is given to us is advance to supplier. So opening balance of opening advance to supplier will be recorded here. How much opening advance we have given? 11,000. And likewise, closing advance will be recorded here. Balance carried down, closing advance is 19,000. And after that, amount paid during the year, payment to supplier. So payment to creditors during the year is to cash, and this we got through receipt and payment. So these are the payment to suppliers during the year. So this is 1,02,000. So you can easily calculate this missing figure, which will be credit purchase. And you know the journal entry for credit purchase, it is purchase account debit to creditors. So the posting will be, it will be post here. So here by purchases, in the bracket you can mention credit purchase, and this will be balancing figure also. So let us calculate that missing figure. So this will be 0, 0, 2, then it will be 1, 3, 0, then 0, 2, 1. So 1,20,200 will be the total of debit side. So you can easily calculate this missing figure of purchases. So missing figure of purchase here will be, let us calculate, this is 28,800. You need to deduct from 1,20,000. 1,20,200 will be deducting 28,800. So we'll be able to get 91,400. And you know that this amount will be recorded here also. It will go here. So I am putting an arrow. 2, here we'll be writing 2 creditors, credit purchases. So the amount is 91,400. Now you can calculate the balancing figure in this particular account. Need to add this. This will be 97,600, and the balancing figure will be by income and expenditure account. And material, this will be sports material consumed, and this is my balancing figure also. So 97,600, here it will be 0, 0, 8, 6, 1, 5, 5 means 2, 2 here, and 9. 92,800 is the amount which is to be debited to income and expenditure account. So let us see the balance sheet, how these values are to be shown in the balance sheet of the firm, non-profit organization. So first of all, let me make income and expenditure. In income and expenditure account, you will be writing here 2 sports material. How much you will be writing? We'll be writing 92,800, and bracket mein you can mention material consumed, right? And now let us see what is to be done in the balance sheet, opening balance sheet and closing balance sheet. And this was the detail of latest year, so I have not put the year, but for balance sheet we'll be showing it year wise. So this is my balance sheet, opening balance sheet on year ends on 31st March 2019. So this is my opening balance sheet. So in case of opening balance sheet, first of all, you have this stock of sports material. So stock of sports material is your asset. Stock of sports material is to be shown on asset side. This is closing stock. And the current year it becomes opening, but last year means this is for 2020, no? So last year in 19 it was closing stock 6,200. Then you have opening balance of creditors. So creditors for sports material on the liability side. This is liability side, and this is my asset side. Proper format, whenever balance sheet is asked, you need to make proper format, properly ruled. So creditors are 9,800. Then advance paid, where will you write this advance paid? On the asset side, advance paid for sports material. In the beginning it is 11,000. Not in the big, for this year it is end, but in next year in 2020 this will become beginning. So this is how details are shown in the opening balance sheet. Now let us prepare closing balance sheet. Closing balance sheet will be prepared on 31st March 2020. This is liability side, and this is my asset side. So here, first of all, I'll be writing all the closing details. This is closing stock of sports material. It is given to me as 4,800. Likewise, advance at the end. This was opening advance, this is closing advance. So advance at the end, advance paid for sports material at the end of the year is 19,000. And these are the extracts of the balance sheet. This is not a full balance sheet, so don't think that this should tally. So on liability side, we'll be writing closing creditors. So closing creditors, this is the amount of closing creditors, 7,200. So this is how the amounts are to be shown in the balance sheet of non-profit organization. So I hope this third method is clear to you, and you can try this method with the help of statement method. So when opening stock, closing stock, opening creditors, closing creditors, and advance opening and closing is given to you, so you have two methods. One is through ledgers and through this opening advance, opening stock, and closing creditors will be added. Closing stock, opening creditors, and closing advance will be credited. And thereafter we did question number 34 of T.S. Grewal's book. This is page number 1.66. So we'll be doing few more numericals, because in the next class we'll be dealing with if sale of sports material is given to you at profit, then how to deal that, how to calculate material consumed in that case. Thank you. Have a nice day.